Good morning, students. Let us start our new topic, that is cube of a number. Till now, children, we have studied how to find the squares, perfect squares, square root of a number. Now today we will study how to find the cube of a number. Okay, till now you have only studied cubes in geometry. Now to find the cube of a number, we have the power 3. Means any number raised to the power 3 is the cube of a number. In square we have, children, power 2. Okay, means 7 ki power 2, it is a square. But if we have power 3 raised to the power 3, it means it is a cube. We have to find the cube. So if we have to find the cube of 7, it means we have to raised to the power, it should be 3. 7 raised to the power 3 will be, means 7 is multiplied 3 times. Children, 3 times, not by 3. It is two different things. Okay, don't multiply 7 की 3 से multiply मत कर देना. We have to multiply 7 3 times, means 3 बार multiply करनी है. Clear? So it will be 343. Similarly, if we have to find out the cube of a fraction, we have to multiply that 3 times. So 2 upon 5 into 2 upon 5 into 2 upon 5 will be 8 upon 125. Alright. Now, if we have to find out the cube of a decimal, again we have to multiply it 3 times, means 0.3 into 0.3 into 0.3 will be 0.027. Clear? Now, let us come to perfect cube. A natural number is said to be a perfect cube if it is the cube of some natural number. Means 1 ka cube will be 1, 2 ka cube will be 2 into 2 into 2, 8. 3 ka cube will be 3 into 3 into 3, 27, and so on. So these 1, 8 and 27 are perfect cubes. Means they are the perfect cubes क्योंकि इनकी multiply हो रही है cube से. Okay. So if in the question comes that find the perfect cube of if the number is a perfect cube or not, so you have to see by prime factorization method. Okay. Now let us come to cube root. The cube root of a number x is number which when multiplied by itself gives x as the product, means 3 times. If we have the number 5 का cube क्या होगा 125, and if we have to find out the cube root of 125, it will be 5. Children, the sign of cube root is this. In square we have only this. Okay, this is the sign of square root. But if we have to find out the cube root, we have to write 3 here. Okay. Now, so the cube root of 125 will be 5. Got it? Means we have to find the factors of 125. Like 5 to the 10, 5 5 the 25, 5 5 the again 25, and 5 1 the 5. So we have the pair of 3 triplets. In square we have 2 pairs, means 2 का 1 pair बनता था. Okay, means 2 numbers होते थे तो हम 1 pair बनाते थे. But in this, in cubes, we have to make 3 pair of 3, means triplets. Triplets का pair form होगा. So 3 5 हैं तो 3 5 का 1 pair बनेगा. So it will be 5. Okay. Now let us come to your exercise. In exercise 3, children, you have to find the cubes of these numbers. In first question, okay, so if you have to find out the cubes, you have to multiply the number 3 times. So can you do this? Okay, it is very easy. Now let us see second question, in which you have to find if the numbers are perfect cubes or not. If they are perfect cubes, in case of perfect cube, you have to find the cube root also. So you have to first of all find out whether the number is a perfect cube or not. How you will find out, children? Let us see. If we have to find out the cube root of the 729, it means 3. We have to find out the prime factorization method. So we have done with prime factorization method. So you can see, children, they are the pair of triplets. We have to take the 1 pair of 3 numbers का हमको 1 pair लेना है triplet का. Okay, so it will be 3 from here and 3 from here. So it will be 9. Means if the number is a perfect cube है ये हमारा, so you have to tell yes or no. तो number is a perfect cube, yes, and to cube root of the number is 9. Clear? Now let us see the third question. Third question is, find the smallest number by which 1323 must be multiplied so that the product is a perfect cube. Now children, we have done this question in multiplication also. Means हमको ऐसा नंबर फाइंड आउट करना है, मीन्स दिस नंबर वी हैव गिवन, ओके, ये नंबर हमको गिवन है बट इट इज नॉट अ परफेक्ट क्यूब, ओके, ये नंबर परफेक्ट क्यूब नहीं है. सो हम किस नंबर से, इस सबसे स्मॉलेस्ट किस नंबर से मल्टीप्लाई करें कि इट विल बिकम अ परफेक्ट क्यूब. वी हैव टू फाइंड आउट दिस. सो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल वी हैव टू फाइंड आउट द factors of this number, okay. So you can see after finding the factors they have इसका तो ट्रिपलेट बन रहा है 3 का, बट 7 into 7 इसमें 1 7 मिसिंग है. तो इट मीन्स now to make it a perfect cube it must be multiplied by 7 because 1 7 ही मिसिंग है. तो मीन्स अगर हम उस 1 7 से उसकी मल्टीप्लाई कर दें 1323 की, then it will become a perfect cube. All right, so the number is, the smallest number is 7, so that it will become a perfect cube. Now let us see the fourth question. Fourth question you have to divide, means the number is given to you and you have to find कि ये perfect cube नहीं है, तो हम किस नंबर से इसको डिवाइड करें so that ये perfect cube बन जाए. Okay, so पहले हम first of all we will take out the factors of this number. So after finding the factors we have, इसका तो ट्रिपलेट बन रहा है, इसका भी ट्रिपलेट बन रहा है, बस इसमें ट्रिपलेट नहीं बन रहा. It means we have to divide, not multiply. Now we have to divide children. So to make it a perfect cube it must be divided by 5 into 5. Means ये नंबर हमारा लेफ्ट ओवर हो रहा है, so means 5 into 5 that is 25 से अगर हम इसको डिवाइड करें तो it will become a perfect cube. All right. Now let us see how to find the cube roots of the numbers. In fractions you have to do like similarly of multiplication. जैसे आपने multiplication में किया था, इसके अलग अलग से आपको cube root find out करना है. So it will be, इसका अलग निकालेंगे और इसका cube root अलग निकालेंगे. Don't forget to write 3. बिकॉज 3 का ही अगर आप 3 नहीं लिखेंगे तो इट विल बिकम द स्क्वायर रूट. ओके, अगर इफ यू विल राइट 3 देन ओनली इट विल बी क्यूब रूट. सो लेट अस सी द थर्ड पार्ट. You have to find out the cube root of this decimal number. Okay, so ये decimal number है. First of all we have to remove the decimal. All right, so 42.875 को अगर हम decimal remove करेंगे so it will become 3 digits है after decimal, so it will have 1000 here in the denominator. Okay, then ये हमारा fraction बन गया. So like this we have to arrange the cube roots in individually. Means इसका cube root अलग find out करेंगे और इसका अलग find out करेंगे. Okay, so after finding the cube roots of this 42,875 we have the factors 5 into 5 into 5 into 7 into 7 into 7. Okay, now we have the factors here and 1000 के 10 into 10 into 10 1000 होता है. Now अब we will take one number common. क्यूब रूट है तो हमें क्यूब रूट हटाना है. So we will take 1 5 from this triplet and 1 7 from this triplet. Okay, now 5 इसमें से ले लिया, 1 7 इसमें से ले लिया हमने, and 10 हमने नीचे डिनोमिनेटर में से ले लिया. Now it will become 5 7 35 upon 10. Means डेसिमल में हमें आंसर फाइंड आउट करना है, सो इट विल 3.5. In this way children, your chapter is finished and you have to complete this chapter in your fair notebooks and show it to me. Okay.